108.
Yes. We have a kind of very nice thing to tell you today. There's a warning for tornadoes today.
My house!
Now that's what happened.
In other news,
Yes, other news.
you know what's in 40?
I bet you know.
Also, another great product is Minute Maid.
Pink lemonade.
Buy it, bitch.
That was my line.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
It's fucking my line.
It was my
You
line.
wanna fucking start this shit? No! I don't fucking think so. Fucking I think we broke something.
Oh shit.